Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Blogger site to Google Search Console. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Blogger. So once you open Blogger, you simply need to click on View Blog and copy the link. Then you need to go back and open Google Search Console. Click on Start Now. Here you can see that I already added one website. So you simply need to click here. Click on Add Property. You can add domain. You can add by domain or by URL prefix. If you want to add by domain, you simply need to remove HTTPS and this one and click on continue. But if you want to add as prefix, you simply need to add the complete link and click on continue. And after that, your website will be added in Google Search Console. So this is the process by which you can add Blogger site to Google Search Console. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.